Hello friends, welcome to another episode of Driving Fish. Today in this video, we're going to unbox Gtab. It's a kid's Android tablet. And in this video, we're going to see what are all the accessories that it has got inside this box. And I'm going to show you how to install YouTube. And apart from that, I'm going to tell you why this is called a kid's tablet. You won't believe the accessories that are included in the box. Before we unbox, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for a new video every week. And don't forget to hit the bell icon for a notification when we post a new video. Now let's see what's there in the box. Come on, let's dive in. This is a combo package. It comes with Gtab fitness tracker, and these are all the specifications written on the box. Let's unbox the Gtab Smart Bracelet in a separate video. Before we power on the tab, let's have a look at the accessories that are included in the box. To be honest, most of the accessories won't be useful at all. We have a couple of sticky notes. This is the liable user manual. It's a pre-installed application, and because we have this app installed, they call it Kids Tablet. Then we have a stand to place this tab on a table. We have a stylus as well in this box. Then we have a user guide to operate this tablet. You even get a clear case with doodles printed on top of it. It's a really good idea because no third party is going to make a clear case for this tab. And then we have a power brick and a USB data cable. It's a micro USB data cable. And lastly, we have a screen protector. This tab has got a 1.3 GHz quad-core processor with 512 MB RAM. The speed is very slow than what we anticipated. You have a 3.5 mm headphone jack and micro USB port to charge this device. It has got 8 gigs of internal storage. However, you can expand up to 32 GB using micro SD card. The reason I told you that I'm gonna show you how to open YouTube is that this tab runs on Android KitKat, and since it's a very old version of Android, you need to upgrade the Google Play services. And with this processor and RAM, it took almost 30 minutes to upgrade Google Play services. Don't worry, this is a very slow tablet. I am fast forwarding all these installations. In the meanwhile, let's put this clear case on. It fits perfect for this tab. Finally, we've upgraded the Play services, and now let's play one sample video from our channel. A sub will motivate us to make more videos like this. Now let's try these cameras that we have. Both of them are VGA. I don't want to talk a lot about this camera because the price of this tab is $40, roughly 3,000 rupees in India. I think that this is a nice product for someone who wants to use it to study. Now let's have a look at the stand that came with this tablet. The quality of the stand is very poor and it's not going to be used by anyone. What I feel is they should have reduced all these unwanted accessories and improved the performance of the tablet for the same price. And what do you think about this? Share your feedback in a comment below. Now I have a question that can I use this tab to join a Zoom call? We will leave it for another video. So Zoom testing video is coming soon. Until then, see you, bye.